Ready, start. This is an application filed under section 438 of Code of Criminal Procedure seeking pre-arrest bail para. The petitioner is the sole accused in crime number 396 oblique 2021 of the Palakkad Town South Police Station. The offences alleged against the petitioner are punishable under section 341, 323 and 326 of the Indian Penal Code para. The prosecution case in short is that on 24/2021 at around 12:30 pm, since the de facto complaint required the petitioner to hand over the firm which is being managed by the petitioner, namely Gayatri Associates, attacked the de facto complainant with a chair and thereby caused injury to the de facto complainant. The aforesaid crime was registered in the above circumstances. Para. The de facto complainant, who is none other than the brother of the petitioner, filed an application to get himself impleaded and also filed a counter affidavit denying the averments made by the BA number 3543/2021. According to the de facto complainant, he is a sales tax practitioner and was running an establishment, namely Gayatri Associates, in the room where the incident had occurred. In the year 2010, he went abroad and he entrusted the office to the petitioner for managing the same. Later, when he came back, it is contended that the de facto complainant refused to hand over the same and the dispute has arisen in connection with the same. It is stated by him that on the basis of the settlement arrived between the parties in the presence of other members of the family, he was called upon to the office by the petitioner, and upon reaching the office, the de facto complainant attacked him and caused injuries. Para. After examining all the materials available on record, it can be seen that evidently there is a dispute with regard to the management of the office between the two brothers. Both parties are making claims against each other. It is also evident that these claims and disputes resulted in the incident. Going by the averments of the de facto complainant itself, it can be said it can be seen that the management of the office was entrusted with the petitioner. In the above circumstances, this court is of the view that all these claims are basically civil in nature, BA number 3543/2021 para. The same has to be agitated before the appropriate civil court with regard to the incident which is the subject matter of this case. It is true that some injuries of serious nature were sustained by the de facto complainant. This court is of the view that the circumstances under which the alleged incident happened and all the other relevant aspects have to be found out in a detailed investigation to be conducted by the police. Therefore, emphasis should be given to a proper investigation for which the appearance of the petitioner before the investigating officer and his cooperation to be ensured. Therefore, this court is of the view that interest of the justice would be served if the petitioner is directed to surrender before the investigating officer and to cooperate with investigation in the proper manner. While arriving this decision, This court has also taken into consideration the alarming situation now prevailing in the state due to COVID-19 pandemic and also the steps being taken by the government to decongest the prisons.